At Sones Seal Coating LLC, getting your driveway or parking lot sealed is fast, simple, and professional from start to finish. Step 1. You contact us by phone or online. Step 2. We collect a few details: first and last name, phone number, service address, email address. If your neighbors are interested too, let us know. We offer discounts for multiple driveways. Step 3. Your info goes to our estimating department. We stop out within 72 hours. No need to be home, and you'll receive a quote by text and email. Step 4. Review the quote at your convenience. If you accept, your work order is sent to scheduling. Scheduling takes place within 2 weeks of acceptance, and work typically begins 3 to 4 weeks from initial contact. Upon arrival for your job, we edge the driveway, blow off all debris, fill cracks to prevent water damage, apply seal coating. Residential driveways, 1 broom applied coat. For larger driveways, edge framing with a brush plus 2 spray applied coats. Commercial lots, 2 full spray coats plus a 3rd coat on high traffic areas. After sealing, we place stakes, caution tape, and a yard sign. Leave them in place for 24 hours, then feel free to discard. You'll get a text when we arrive and complete the job, plus the invoice via text and email. We accept cash, credit card, or check. From your first call to the final coat, Sones Seal Coating LLC makes pavement protection simple and reliable. Visit SonesSealCoating.com or call today for your free quote. Fred Sones.